So good morning guys. So it's day 3 of Sanobanning's working for the extension of his dirty kitchen. So this is where he put the soil that he dig from the backyard. So he's going to landscape also our service or dining area. So if have money, you will have money. So we will put cement, make the floorings to be cemented, and then put some tiles. So that's his plan about that. So let's go back to the place where he dig the so this is his the soil that he dig. So he will dig right there to the wall, to that cement wall. So yeah, so I'm not helping right now. I will not help him right now because I'm going to make a video. So yeah, it's almost 1 foot that he dig, and he's going to make it to landscape it. Yeah, so he he's the only one to just fill it up with soil. So after he haul or load this one to the dining room, so he will fill it up again with soil. So this is the soil that he needs to transfer. So yeah, it serves also as his exercise, and to have works that needs to be done within a day. So I will also make a live stream maybe in the next hour, because right now is my it's my birthday, and I will be celebrating my 34th birthday. Happy birthday. So right now, so I will not follow him because he is shy about our dirty kitchen and our room. So I will wait for him maybe for the next 10 minutes. I will wait for him to finish on howling this soil in the into the dining room, in this backyard. So this is that he needs to be worked for, it needs to be done. So he says that it takes at least a week to finish. So let's see about that. I will also make a blog about that, when we will finish this part of the backyard. So after he finished these 2 pills, so we'll also fill it up again. This, how many pills? This 6 pills. Then after, he will haul it into the dining room. Then again, it takes, he gives only 1 hour because lots of work to do. And yeah, as what I have said, that I am going to celebrate my birthday also. So yeah, I will make a live stream about it. It's a simple celebration. Maybe we will cook or um, sing a karaoke. It's not hard for now to sing because there's karaoke on YouTube. So in the last 10 years or 5 years, so we need to hire a karaoke machine. It's for 1 day or 2 days. You pay for 500 pesos, but right now you will only go to YouTube and search the songs that you need to sing, sing in a karaoke. So right now it's not hassle and uh, comfortable also. So this part is it serves as a canal, because in the upper side of our lot, so there's lands, rice fields and body of water that flows right here. So yeah, during I think last like 5 days it rains a lot, so this part is being filled with water. So this part is being filled with water, and I think it rains for almost 3 hours, and as far as I know, there's places in Cebu City or certain places in Philippines that occurs landslide. So thankfully it didn't happen in Bohol. So yeah, but still we need to watch for heavy rainfall, because landslide may occur anytime and anywhere. So this is the place that we live in. So it's 2 floor. Say yung ikasulti pa, what can you see? Because I'm going to end this video. Ha? So it's going to fill it with soil that 7 peels. And after he finish on filling it up with soil, so he'll haul it or lift it to the dining room. So what are your plans after this day, or what are your plans for this day?
Make a level, then pour the concrete, cement, then tiles.
In the dining room.
Yeah. And my dirty kitchen will transfer here.
So what will happen to your previous
White kitchen.
uh,
Kinambuhin ang pagkwartahan ani.
when is your birthday?
My birthday is this coming January. Ano? This January, not coming January.
What is your plan about your birthday? You will slaughter carabao?
No. I just only buy fish for the health. Health is wealth. That is our number one wealth. Our health. That's why we have to protect it. I protect my health. That's why I almost always drink energy drink. Energy drink
Is
and
it
exercise.
why you drink every day? Is it not bad for your health?
Not bad.
Why?
Because once you take a little amount of energy drink, you will feel like a super saiyan.
Superman.
Not Superman. That's only in a movie. It's only a joke. But anyway, I am a drink. I have cough, and cold. I have a little flu because of the climate, raining, hot, sunny day, rainy day. I make myself busy.
Why you need yourself busy? You make yourself busy.
So that we will not waste time, because time is gold, time is money. Time is money, time is gold. At if the time pass doing nothing, that's not good. So that's why we have to accomplish anything in every time, every hour.
So I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and follow also. So see you in the next video, and goodbye.